as my grandmother told me, is a part of me. We all link together. And I know what I do is not only just for me, but it's also for the community. It's also for the people. And I know all of y'all are living that same experience. I know how you show up for yourselves is impacting the kids, impacting the community, impacting your partners, impacting people in the you getting up early in the morning, you sacrificing, you doing what you have to do is something that was put in y'all at a young age. Maybe it wasn't verbal like it was for me. Maybe you just seen it and it's a responsibility that made you even be a part of this organization. Where you understand that you are a link with a whole bunch of other links who have that same sense of responsibility and experience for us. And I had to realize that as that one link, a lot of pressure can break me. A lot of pressure can separate it. So I had to learn more ways to take care of myself. I had to learn more ways to really be there for people and not just showing up burnt out, overwhelmed, stressed out, not even knowing what it's doing to my body, my nervous system, my belly, my mind, the stress, all this. And sometimes being able to show up in places where I'm looking for community, I'm looking for souls, I'm looking for peace, and then they put me to work. They need some more. So being able to have some practices and some ways of dealing with the responsibility of being a link is why I'm here today. So I just want y'all to, in your mind, real quick, we just gonna take a second, think about it. Think about when you started becoming responsible for others. Think about when you decided to care. Think about when you acknowledge that, hey, other people's well-being are a part of what makes me happy. Just go there in your mind real quick. Could have been a conversation with your grandma like me. It could have been witnessing your grandmother or your mother. It could have been seeing that things in your immediate circle or wherever wasn't right and you needed to do something about it. Just take a second to go there for your mind. What does it look like? What does it smell like? Was it over a dinner? Or a pack of Vincent and Hedges cigarettes like my grandmother? What did it feel like? Was it a warm hug, a handshake? Did it look like somebody giving you the look? Did it feel overwhelming and stressful at the beginning of it? What did it sound like? You can hear your own heart beating. You heard somebody crying out, arguing. This is a core memory, part of why you're here today and why you keep going. Why you have postponed vacations before, why you have delayed gratification, why you have put others in front of you. Now, I know y'all all know different, better now, but it's always good to just refresh. As you go back to that core memory, that place, that time of where you really became a link, just breathe for a second. Release it, let it go. Checking in with your body, checking in with your mind. Good. And as we are linked together, does anyone want to share? No pressure. We don't have to. We can move on. But does anyone want to share about what came up for them as they thought about whatever experience or past or words or conversation or scene that they saw that really made them decide that I care. That's part of me. Let's just sit with that for the next couple of breaths. Good. Now, I want you to bring in a new image. An image of you happy, healthy, and well. An image of you whole and complete and joyful An image of you smiling, relaxed, kicking your feet up. Whatever it is for you to care about yourself as much as you have cared about others. What does that look like? Go ahead and take time on that beach. Or maybe just time to yourself. How does it feel in your body? The doctor's results of your cholesterol down and your numbers great. You just being able to get time with yourself, time with your spirit, time with your body, time with your mind. What does that look like? How does that make you feel? What images does that bring up for you? Let's breathe that in for a couple of breaths. Good. Does anybody want to share what came up for them in that image? The joyful self, the happy self, the peaceful, the connected self? Some of y'all just like, I just want to stay here. I don't want to leave. Perfect. Last question. What's one thing you can do to move towards that joyful, peaceful, calm, relaxed, powerful self? What's one thing you can do that still honors who you are and who you became by the people who put those ideas and those tools in your head of caring for others? But what's one thing you can do to move towards that self of deeper connection, deeper well-being, just being happy? It's one thing you can do. Could be on a daily basis. Could be as soon as you leave here. Monthly, whatever. It could be these meetings, connecting here, whatever it is. What is one thing you can do to move you closer towards that image of yourself, the joy and peace, centeredness, calmness, fullness? And just notice how it shows up in your body. It's happening in your chest, in your shoulders. Any clenching of the jaw, tightening of the lips? Where's that energy moving? What parts of the body are it running away from, and what parts of the body is it running to? Where's the mind go? Where's the breath? Is it shallow? Is it deep? What pops up for you? Can you even imagine yourself being calm and relaxed, and having time just for you? Is it hard to let go of any guilt, shame, frustration there? Is it a curiosity of a new place, a new boundary you're breaking through for your own self? Not allowing any fears or doubts to hold you back. For the words of anyone else who may not be able to experience the joy that you know waits for you. Just one small action you can take towards you. Take a deep breath. And relax and release.